Hello, we are learning סימן תרעג in the Rema of סעיף א'. It says over here that although we learned in the Shulchan Aruch that one is allowed to light from one candle of Hanukkah to another, but, says the Rema, that today the minhag is not to do that. Why not? Says the Rema, because the first candle has much more kedusha. It's meikar adin, because meikar adin it's ner ish uveito. The rest of the candles are only hidur mitzvah. How could you light hidur, which is made to beautify the mitzvah and improve the mitzvah, from something that's meikar adin? That is the essence of the mitzvah. You shouldn't do that. And therefore, says the Rema, that the minhag, the custom is not to do such a thing. נהגו להחמיר בנרות חנוכה שלא להדליק אפילו מנר לנר, דעיקר מצוותו אל הנר אחד והשאר אינו למצווה כל כך, לכן אין להדליק זה מזה, says the Rema. Mishna Brura explains that in a case that you have two people in a house, each one lights his own candle, and for each one it is meikar adin, one can light one from the other because they have the same level of kedusha. Says the Rema, כל זה אינו אלא רק בעוד שדולקים למצוותם, אבל אחר שעבר זמן המצווה מותרים בהנאה כל שכן להדליק בהם. Everything we spoke is within that half hour that one is required to light, but after that half hour he doesn't have any more kedusha. One is allowed to benefit from the light of the candle, and therefore he's allowed also to light from one to another. So within that half hour one shouldn't light from one to another. Says the Mishna Brura that today there are poskim that hold that one should keep his Hanukkah candles more than that half hour worth, because there's more people in the street that are passing by, and therefore one shouldn't light from one candle to another. In Sa'if Bet says the Shulchan Aruch that all candles of mitzvah have the same level of kedusha to be able to light from one to another, including a shul candle, Shabbat candle, and Hanukkah candle. And therefore, since we said one can light one from one to another if they have kedusha, those will come under the same category as well. Says the Shulchan Aruch, יש מי שאומר שנר של בית הכנסת, של שבת ושל חנוכה, כולם של מצווה, מותרים להדליק זה מזה. The Rema adds to that so is ner shel Talmud Torah, which means the candle you use to learn Torah, and they used to learn to the light of the candles. Or ner lechole, even a candle that's made in order to light for the sick person, hatzarich ner, uvinyan ner shel bet knesset, that's another din. We learned that halacha in Tafresh Ayin Dalet.